So for the second section of 4.2, we're going to go over radian measure. So let me talk about the description or additional information about it. Measuring angles in degrees is appropriate when applying trigonometry to solve many real-world problems, such as those in surveying and navigation. For other application with trigonometric functions, using an angle measure in degrees poses a significant problem. A degree has no relationship to any linear measure. Inch degrees or inch over degrees has no meaning. Measuring angles in radians provides a solution to this problem. So to sum it up, other applications with trigonometric functions are not used with degrees. They're basically used with radians. So as stated before in 4.1 is if when you're working solving for trigonometric functions, ratios, angles, sides, if you're working with degrees, you make sure you check that your calculators are in degree mode. Second is, instead of degree, if you're working with radians, make sure you're in radians mode. So this is going to be a practice of the application of, say, use and besides surveying and navigation. Now, the concept here, radians measure. The measured theta in radians of a central angle of a circle is equal to the ratio of the length of the intercepted arc S to the radius R of the circle. So that's pretty much wordy. Basically what it means that here's our central angle theta. It equals to the ratio, meaning the fraction of the intercepted arc S. So as you can see right here, on the curved side, this is where S, and the ratio of its radius R. So the symbol for radians central angle theta equals to the ratio of S over R. So the ratio is a fraction S over R, where theta is measured in radians or abbreviation rad, RAD. So when you have questions or you see question, it use either the word radians or the abbreviation RAD, rad. And then here's an example is given. A central angle has a measure of 1 radian if it intercepts an arc with the same length as the radius of the circle. So basically here's a diagram of the radian measure. So the ratio for central theta is equal to S over R.